We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, so when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, well, we have to show it to the world. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.